Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher, Wazal Ikram Saeed. And in today's unit number 7, formatting text in Word 2013, we will be revising all the things which we have discussed in this unit. So let's move to unit number 7. Here we have, and the things which we will be revising today, that will be the Word 2013 layout, the components, the options available in it. We will be discussing the font formatting. We will be discussing the text effects option that is available in Word 2013. We will also be discussing the highlight text option and how you can remove the highlighting text option as well. And last but not the least, how you can apply borders and shading option in Word 2013 on your document. So let's move, children, to the first one in this unit. Yes, here we have. This is, you can see the word layout window and the different options over here. The first one, you can see this blue one. This is the file tab. When you click on it, you can save, open, and even create a new document using this option. Next to it, you can see the name of your document. See, this is displayed over here. This portion where your file name displays is called the title bar. Next to it, you can see this font group. This is the font group, and mainly we have worked in this unit in this area. We have used these options, and in the next slides we will be discussing this as well, that how they work. Next to it is the paragraph group. From this group you can align your text, you can add even the borders and on your text as well. So mainly we will be discussing this one as well in the next slides. Now we move to the clipboard area. In the clipboard area we have copy, cut, and this paste option as well. To move your text and paste it to another place, you can use this option. This white page area, what we call it, this is the document area. And as to the left bottom corner, you can see this is written page 1 of 1. So this portion, this is called the status bar. It shows you on which page you are working on. And to the opposite side of this left hand, we have this right hand corner, bottom side. This is the zoom control. With this plus sign and minus sign, you can make your text, the document, look bigger or smaller. And the last option in this one, you can see this is the question mark. If you feel you need any help in the Word, you can click on this help option and it can guide you to related things if you want to inquire. I hope, my children, this is clear to you, the layout of the Word window. So now we move to the next one over here. Yes, this is the borders and shading option. And if you want to apply a border to a page, how you can do that? The first thing, you need to check in the Home tab and in the paragraph group. You can see this arrow. When you click on it, these options will pop up. And the last one is the borders and shading. How you can apply that? Let's move to the Word window to carry this out. Now, my children, you can see over here, we're in the Word window. Here in the Home tab, the first thing, to apply the border, you can see there is no border on this page. I want to apply a border. This is the Home tab. In the Home tab, the paragraph group. Fine. Next to it, this is the arrow key next to this line. When we drop down this one, when I click on it, see the last option over here is the borders and shading. When I click on it, you can see I have three options, the shading, borders, and the page border. I want to apply border on my page. I click on the page option. It is showing me the different lines I can add on it. When I scroll it down, you can see different options are there. Even very interesting option is there of the art. The last one you can see. When I click on it, many colorful borders you can apply to your pages. I want to apply this balloons option. When I select it, this is a layout that it will look like this on my page. Now I will click on the OK button. When I click on it, see the border of balloons on my page has been applied on my all the pages. You can see this all pages having the borders. So I hope it is clear to you, my children, how you can apply a border to your page. As this is the revision for unit number 7, we have also discussed in this unit the formatting your document. In the text, you can apply these options as well. You can see in the home tab, this is the font group, and we mainly worked in this options. This is the style of your text, the size of your text as well, and even this B option. I have circled these three options, which will be more easier for you to apply as well, and you need to practice this as well. This B, this stands for bold. It will make your text to look darker, to make it darker as compared to the other one. As you can see in these three texts, this is the bold one. This is a bit darker, so it is applied to it. Next to it is an I. This I stands for italic, to move your text, turn into slanted towards the right hand side. As you can see, this text italic itself is applied with the italic option. Next to it is there is a U underline. There is a line under it. So this is the underline option. If you want to add a line under your text, you can see this is the underline written over here, and there is a line under it. And even you can change the colors of the line under it as well using these options next to it. So these are the three options in your font group. You can apply to your text and you can make it look nice as well and more colorful. I hope, my children, you will be applying these formatting options on your text in your documents. So now let's move to the next one over here. Let's see what we have. We have here, now this is the font dialog box. And to change the font style and the font style of it and the size of it as well, you can use this dialog box. Even the font color you can change from here, and underline style as well. So how you can do that and the underline color, let's move to the word window. I will be showing you that how you can add that one. Now, my children, you can see in the home tab, in the font group, there is an arrow key to the next bottom corner, right side of it. When I click on it, so this is the font dialog box. See, it has appeared in front of me. And the sample is over here. It is appearing if how my text will look like from the options I will be selecting. We have discussed this font and style and size of it. Even if you want to make it bigger, you can see my text has become bigger now. The font color, when you click on this drop down window, you can see this drop down. Let's suppose I want to make this maroon color. My text will change into maroon color. Any of the option you can select from here. Even more color option is available over here. Next to it is the option of underline style. So underline style is the line below to your text. So which kind of line you want. When I drop it down, you can see many dots and other lines are there. I want to add this one. I go for this. You can see this option over here. Even you can select any other as well. And next to it is the underline color. So the line color you can change as well of your text. When you click on it, drop down, see this yellow color, I go for maroon color writing, and under it I added the yellow color. So this way you can add different styles and make your text look colorful. Next to it is the option of effects. You can add different effects to your text. This is the strike through option, putting a line in between it, even the double strike through option as well. So double lines appeared over here. And if you want to make all the text into small letters, small caps, all capitals, or the hidden one, you can use this one as well. See, small caps and the all caps, all the letters will be capital letters. You can apply these options, and remember you need to select the text first and then go for this font dialog box options. I hope it is clear to you, my children. Next, once you finish all these settings, apply them, just click the OK button. Now you have discussed the font dialog box options. Now we move to the next one. And the next one here, the text effects, you can see on the font dialog box. In Word 2013, there is a text effects button in the font group. See, in this font group, this is the A letter, and this one is called the text effects button. It will help you to change the look of the text by changing its fill, outline, or by adding effects like shadow, glow, and reflection. You can see, first select your text. This is the text I have selected. And with this A letter, when I drop it down, you can see different options, styles are there. Any one of them you can select. You can add outline, shadow, reflection to your text as well, and glow styles as well. So you can go for these options and make your text look colorful using the text effects option. Keep practicing this, my students, and make your text look colorful. Next, here we have, this is the highlight your text option. To grab the attention of your reader to specific text, you can use this option. Again, this is in the font group. In the font group, there is A and B with a color line. When you click on it, these colors will appear in front of you. How you can do that one? Let's move to the Word window to carry this out. So to carry out the highlight text, first you need to select the text. I will select my text over here. In the Home tab, in the font group, you can see this is the text highlight option. When I click on this drop down window, different colors appear in front of me. I want to add any of the selected color. You can see when I'm bringing my cursor to a specific color, you can see my text has been highlighted over here. I apply this sea green color and it has been applied. And how you can remove that one? Let's suppose I don't want to highlight this text of select text option. Just select it again. And how we can do that? We will go over here, removing the highlighting on your text. Select on the text, and in the this is the highlighting I have applied. Again, in the Home tab font group, this is the highlight color option. Click on it, go for the no color. When I select it, see the highlighting has been removed. So I hope, my children, it is clear to you all. So my children, we have learned that how we can remove the highlighting on text as well. And with this, we have moved towards the end of this lesson, the revision lesson of your unit number 7. And let's quickly revise that what we have learned in this lesson. We have discussed the formatting of your font. We have discussed the text effects, that how you can apply different text effects on your text, how you can highlight your text. We have discussed the Word window options as well. And we have discussed the removing the highlight option as well. And keep practicing new things. And we have also discussed the borders and shading option, that how you can add a border on your page. So keep practicing, my children, and best of luck to you for the Google Classroom quiz. Yes, it's your Google Classroom quiz time. You need to open your Google Classroom and attempt the questions over there. The questions are related to the things we have discussed in this unit, formatting text in Word 2013. And that's all for today. I hope to see you inshallah in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz children.